Hello everybody, I'm Lawson and I'm happy to introduce the brand new Tattu Plus 16000 smart battery. This is the box the 16000 smart battery comes in. Let's start by getting out of the box. Inside you'll find the battery, as well as a 16-port smart balance cable that's used for charging. This is the back of the battery. Here we can find basic instructions as well as the balance port itself. This is the main power port. It comes with this nice cap, and inside we can find our positive and negative as well as battery telemetry pins to transmit information in flight. The main power leads come in this nice protective, flexible sheathing. On top we have our carrying handle, the 3 status LEDs, and the 4 main power LEDs. To turn on the battery you must first press the power button once, and then press it again and hold it until all 4 lights light up. At this point the battery will be powered on. To turn the battery off, the same process is used. Press, and then press and hold to turn off the light bulb. To check battery status, press the LED once. This will show you the basic battery power level. The case of the battery has high quality aluminum side plates, as well as a polymer top and bottom casing. On the front of the battery, we also have a polymer casing. On this you'll find your specs, including your watt hours and voltage, the capacity, C rating, and also the Tattu logo. For extra details and descriptions, find the Tattu manual online. There they have extra features as well as safety precautions that need to be used when operating this battery.